Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, SHIT just got real, as they like to say in America. Guys, I bring you this. Presidential Intensive Care Unit activated as Buhari self-isolates over alleged persistent cough after his Chief of Staff Abakari tested positive for CV. So now this is the headline and story being circulated within the Nigerian media space. So again, Presidential Intensive Care Unit activated as Buhari self-isolates over alleged persistent cough after his Chief of Staff Abakari tested positive for CV. The Presidential Intensive Care Unit has been activated after President Buhari reportedly went into self-isolation over an alleged persistent cough on Tuesday evening. Though President Buhari tested negative for CV in the first test carried out on him, his persistent cough, however, raised concern at Aso Rock, especially after his Chief of Staff Abakari came out positive with a CV. A source within the presidency told Sahara reporters that Abakari was denied usage of the Presidential Intensive Care Unit after Ministry of Health officials pointed out that crisis could arise should an emergency come up around Buhari. The presidency is also reportedly doing everything possible to protect Buhari and his immediate family. Upon his return from Germany, Abakari met with Garba Shehu, Senior Special Assistant on Media and Publicity to President Buhari, Babagana Kingibe, a prominent member of the cabal, and Kogi State Governor Yaya Bello, business mogul Aliko Dangote, Governor Bello Musari of Katsina State, and Inspector General of Police Mohammedu Adamu, and many others. Though President Buhari tested negative in the first test, a single negative test result does not necessarily mean a person is not carrying the virus, as the specimen might have been collected at a very early stage of the infection. So now this is now what is coming out now. So nothing has been said beyond what you have just heard in this narrative, but the guy is coughing, and they've now felt the need to activate, what have they called it again, the Presidential Intensive Care Unit, to keep him there, and is now self-isolating. So this guy now, Abakari, has gone to Germany to bring this thing, and is allegedly, apparently, spreading it around his spreading it rather amongst his paddies. So now this is now what is going on, and this is how it's been reported. I add nothing to it and I take nothing away from it, but apparently, allegedly, the Presidential Intensive Care Unit has been activated as a result of persistent coughing by Malam Buhari. Conversations in the comment section is what we're talking about in this particular video. What says you? The Presidential Intensive Care Unit has been activated at Nigeria's #1 address, Aso Rock. So what is your reading of this? What do you make of it? Come share thoughts. But before you do this, click on the red subscribe button so it turns grey. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me. You will recall, of course, that Aisha Buhari was telling us a couple of years ago that they don't even have aspirin in the so-called presidential clinic that they have in Aso Rock, but perhaps they have more than aspirin now. We'll soon find out. Come tell me what you're making of all this in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.